Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. As you know all that we have just created a Nikkah pen. So for that Nikkah pen we have to make a box to keep it in and for gifting. So I make this transparent cardboard box for the Nikkah pen. You can see. Yeah, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful transparent Nikkah pen box. So be ready and let's see how to make this beautiful transparent Nikkah pen box. Okay, be with the video. So guys, for making this we need a piece of the cardboard and mark 1 centimeter from all the borders. Cardboard is the length of is according to the length of our Nikkah pen. After that we have to cut the areas you are seeing in the video. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and we have to crease these lines. After creasing, we have to add glue in these areas in order to paste them together, just like this, in order to make our box. Yeah, our box is ready. We have to add the Nikkah pen in that. Then we need a piece of sheet. You can get this sheet from any stationery shop, and we have to add the tapes on all the sides of the sheets. Then we just simply place this sheet on our box and tape it, just like I'm doing in the video. I just tape it. Yeah, be careful to tape it because our final look will depend on it. There will be no crease, there will be no creases on the top. Yeah. Cut these extra parts you are seeing in the corners, just like this sheet part, extra part, this one, and this one, also this one. And yeah, you can add more tape if there is a need. Yeah, our box is ready. So you see how easily we make it with only 3 things: a cardboard paper, a sheet paper, and a tape. You can simply make it at your home with easily available things: a cardboard paper, a sheet, and a tape, in order to enhance the look of our Nikkah pen. Inshallah, we'll meet again in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.